Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your presentation and selecting the slide you'll animate. Select one or more objects, text, image, or shape, so PowerPoint applies changes only where you want them. Click the Animations tab and choose an entrance effect to create initial motion. Once done, preview with the play from button to confirm timing. Make sure to enable the animation pane so you can refine sequence order and scene names for each animated object while you continue. Now you refine how animations behave by using the animation pane and timing controls. In the pane, reorder items by dragging. This controls the visible sequence. For each effect, set Start to On click with previous or after previous depending on interaction needs. Tweak duration to speed or slow the motion and add delay for staggered entrances. Once finished, use preview to watch flow. Make sure to test keyboard and click behavior so the pacing feels natural for your audience. Finish by adding polish. Open effect options to change direction, sequence text by paragraph, or adjust smoothness. For more dynamic slides, add motion paths or emphasis effects and layer them on separate objects using the animation pane. Once satisfied, rehearse in slide show mode and export as a video if needed. If animations don't play, restart PowerPoint, disable hardware graphics acceleration, or start in safe mode to identify add-in conflicts. This single troubleshooting step often resolves playback problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.